So today what we are going to see is how we can make a game. Today what we are going to see is how we can make a gamified uh, a lesson. Okay, this one just a sample thing which I tried for the first time. So hope it will be helpful. So the tools which I have used in here, I will be telling it in the last of this video. Okay, so let us go forward. So this is my first slide. So when we go here, so my storyline starts from here. It's early morning in a home.
Hey, എന്തിരിടോ എത്ര നേരം
ഓക്കെ അച്ഛാ, ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ്. അമ്മ എവിടെ?
Don't you know your mom had gone to walking, so by the time she comes, you get fresh up and make some coffee for her. Okay? Help her.
ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് മീ വേക്ക് അപ്പ് ആൻഡ് go get freshened up. Okay.
See, by the time you come, your mother had already reached home. ഇരി എൻ്റെ മോനെ, ഒന്ന് ചായ വെച്ച് വിൽക്കാം. If now she is preparing her own ചായ, ഇത് ശരിയില്ല.
எனக்கும் அறியும் அச்சா, ஆனால் நான் என்ன செய்யணும்? I had a lot of work yesterday night. Sorry அச்சா, sorry mom.
Sorry for this. I have recorded and I just changed the voice. All the voices are mine only. So no. So in the kitchen, later in the kitchen, she had reached the kitchen after freshening up. So she says, "I'm sorry, mom, for waking up late in the morning." And she says, "This is MLL, that is minimum learning thing, which one should get." No. So today is Onam, so let us prepare something, she says, and prepares the sadhya. So she'll ask her to go to bring and some anar. Then she'll go to anar place where the market is there. Market. She goes and what do you want? The seller asks and he says that he want 1 kilo of anar, so make sadhya. Okay, let me wait. So he continuously waits and he gets angry in between and he says this is to make the weighing perfect, so that balance. So that is why he had taken time, we know it. So but he gets angry and he demands an explanation from him. I mean, why he is taking so long, and he asks him to move to some place where he can get the explanation. So that place he will go, that is the magic shop. So our character reaches here and says, okay, let me go into it. So by the time he goes, a person will be standing back and he will be waiting for him. He knows. So by the setup itself we can see that he is somewhere related with the magic things, right? All the books are moving by itself and owl is also there. So it is just like a setup which we can see he is somewhere related to magic. So he knows that he will be coming there. So he is waiting and he, when he says excuse me, he says come in, and he is waiting for him, right? So he says yes, come in and I am waiting for you. And he'll ask, I know why do you have come. So you have you want an explanation that another fellow might have sent you here. Yes. So he had started explaining these things. about a continuous comprehensive evaluation. He will be talking about only continuous things. That is, he takes the analogy of the balance as the vendor send him balance. So how the balance is there? So at one side we will be keeping the weights, and one more side we will be keeping the fruits, right? So the fruits and the weights, if we consider the weights as the students knowledge and students needs, students capabilities and student difficulties, and the fruits which we are keeping the other side will be our strategies, teaching strategies to maintain the balance, between those two. Okay, so that is how he gives an analogy of the balance comparing to the teaching strategies which he is familiar by his teachers. Okay, so he will be discussing the following points like this, and how it is different from our normal evaluation. These are the things he will be discussing. And when we comes for the when, so right from our ancestors education policy, this continuous assessment is been there right from Kathore Commission, NPE, NCF, all the things have emphasized on it, and CBSE implemented it at 2010, right after the right to education policy had come into enforce, that is implement. This CBSE also implemented it from 1 to 8. So let us understand what is CCE, he says, and he goes on with the continuous comprehensive evaluation thing and how it helps in the mathematics, and he explains about a continuous thing. So before he explains, he poses the following questions for him who had reached him for the discussion to get an explanation. So he says, does it mean testing formally every time? Does it end? So these are the questions to reflect for yourself as well. So continuous assessment, does it mean testing formally every time? Does it end anytime? It is a burdensome or a burden for some? How this is helpful for concept formation? And does a teacher required to assess and record everything? Is teacher a mechanic or a doctor in here at the particular phase of continuous assessment? Should we grade them at each point? Is it an advantage for children to skip the class easily and get promoted, since the RT also came into enforce in here particular thing when the CC had come? So this point gets a value. And should the student know whether they are getting assessed at times? Need not be, right? So these are the questions which poses him. Is assessment a strategy that teacher could use? Does it require a non-threatening situation? These are the few questions which he poses, and he also explains with an answers to clarify him. So it doesn't mean testing formally, and it may end as a thing for a teacher, but it won't be an end for a student. It is neither a burdensome nor a burden for some. It does help for concept formation because it helps to find the gaps, and it is burden free. So no need not be always teacher rather recording everything, record few things. It's funny, right? I mean, the asking a question like a mechanic or doctor, it is funny, but it is meaningful because he has to tighten up the loosen screws like a mechanic. He has to tighten up the concepts which they are losing at times, and he has to check and follow up like a doctor with the time till they can diagnose it and find out what is wrong and correct it for themselves, right? And they can't wait for indicators. So the teachers itself are themselves are indicators. So grade is just a notion without any proper meaning attached to it. So if you give A, B, C, D like a simple grades, it doesn't value anything, because because these ABCD are just scales, numbers, just like Bhaskar, just like some other name, cricket, Sachin Tendulkar and Chris Jordan. This is just like names. It doesn't make a sense if unless until you give a feedback attached to it, like Chris Jordan. So it is just like a grade you consider C. So is this he got C, he got Chris Jordan name, and he is good at jumping and good at shoots, and he is poor at passing the ball. So these kind of feedbacks, a structured feedback, must be attached to it. Only when it becomes helpful. So might be an adventure, but not surely a support mental health and burden free. It is continuous assessment, and if you use a CCE, the teacher will be a good utilize it. So this is one few structures. This is how the lesson goes. So when the lesson ends, something like this, these are the, so here what we unknowingly ends the lesson by giving, we can keep many things, and I am keeping just an video in here.
No.
What's happening?
What's happening?
What is
What is
Sir, what's happening? What's happening? Please, what is it?
It has come to take me. Follow mobile.
So the discussing person had gone out. Some energy had taken him out.
You, what it is? Hey, it's a mobile. That is what I was saying. Let us go pick it. Yeah, I got the mobile. What is there in it? I'll try unlocking it. Let me check. Oh, error. What to do? Again error. Yo, what to do? To unlock it. What is assigned? What?
So here it ends. So what is assigned is a question thing. So assigning is where we play this game. Error play. So when we click it, we'll go to some gaming portal where we ask them to play. So just like this, I'm going to play this also for you. Just I'll where if you are teaching a lesson, you can make it as teach, but I'm just want to show, so I'm giving it as practice. So when we go for a teach, you will get a code, enter code there. So how to use Kahoot, you see it. See join game, so enter your nickname. I'm just entering BB, got it. So to continue, so it is to continue our journey we are keeping. So the game comes like this. I'm just giving some things. So this course will be seen in the screen, which serves a better purpose. So when the question comes, I'm just keeping some answer. See, the scores will be seen. See, I'm just keeping some random answers. So after doing that, these are the online tools which are available for free. You can use it. So after all this happens, the leaderboard also will come. So the final and last question. Just keeping something. See, the podium also comes. Third position is Nancy and second position is Sima. And who is the first? First position is B. We are first. So right after that you can finish the game. You can finish the game and you can ask them to come back to the module. Come back to Meet. Google Meet which you are presenting. So game code is what we will give. So when you are playing as a teacher, you will be given some game code because it already played. It is showing. I have already done it in a class, so it is showing this way. Fine. So then we can proceed further. So well done. Click here to unleash. So there is nothing I have kept. We know that by clicking randomly, the slide changes. So I'm just clicking it randomly. See, you can see now. kept a map so that it when the mobile opens, the map came for in front of them. And what happened? The map also taken his look. In no time, it has changed. It has changed into colors which depicts where to go and where not to go, what is going to happen, and all the tough stuff. Okay, then I have made levels as continuous, comprehensive, and evaluation, and here you can see I am just keeping a laser so that you can understand. So your journey begins. This text comes. Now it is not coming. Now if you see, your journey begins. It has begun. And yes, say yes to start your journey. By saying like these things, it helps them to involve in it. So if everyone shouts, start it, it will be like interesting. And if someone says in message start, it will be like a bit of interesting. So these kind of commands also will help to make them involve, I thought. And here I am improving wow map. Is this something interesting which is going on? So then we can give the instructions, because the game has actually started. I have given some instructions of a game, how it is going to be. You can just read out. Then we can go how you are going to deal with the things. As you have seen, here I have made like a badges for each stage. When you reach, you should need a badge, right? So I have made a reed, quills, fountain, ball, felt tip, and roller. That levels of badges based on the experience, just like novice, amateur, master, like the expert will be having in games. The same thing which I have also included in it. So based on inking, so on key term I have made, we will be having coins or else experience points, XP will be having in your games, minier games. But I have made instead of coins and XP, I have made it like ink. As I am talking all things about pen and thinking, so I made it as ink. Now you all are at read. So we all are at read. You can see you all are at read, and everyone got 100 ink. So here what my first mystery code comes. By clicking on it and solving what is there in it, they will get their first mystery code, which leave them for unlocking.
No. Where am I going? No. It is again taking me somewhere. No. Where did I reach?
So this is what when they get the code, the magic box had come, and again they have taken to some place where there is something called magical gate. Their journey actually begins from here, and some people say, and we can start that journey with any other one big question which brainstorms them, so that it will not be a monotonous, like question answer and reading and going like that. It breaks that monotonicity. So which makes, so I have just asked a simple question. You can try it, and then I have given this just for a distraction from the normal thing. So I have given 4 chances here, and gate 1, gate 2, gate 3. So they can choose any of the things, and based on the choosing that, it is just like revealing the cards after a mission, right? In your games. So I wanted to make it like that. So after choosing everything, they get some ink points. So whoever chosen Mercury, they got that, and Jupiter, Venus, Mars, similarly they got all the things, right? So with this they will be having some ink points with them, like 100, 200, 400, 500, something like that. With this we can move forward and make use of the things. And again I have given some chance for them to choose any of the gates which they want to get in. So he got the mystery pie, the wizard got the wizard got impressed with the performances in the tasks given. So he had given 2 gates to move forward. So whichever gate they choose, they move in the direction. So let us assume they have chosen gate 1. So by clicking gate 1 itself, we will go to some place in the Google Slides, which I have made it like a hyperlink. So right after that, we can just say that by they are loading. And you can say after opening the gate, let me see the map once. They don't know where they are reached, so they have opened the map and they are here actually, and the blue things represent, so you have to change the color so that it shows the direction. So we were here and we moved till there, so I represent it in blue and I have made it as red, which is there currently present, and touch the arrow to jump there. This is what I have said. See, touch the arrow to jump there, what I said. So I am going to touch the arrow in 3, 2, 1. Are you ready to launch to go there? Yes, they will say. So we can say touching the arrow itself, one more video will play automatically. We will.
No. Where am I coping? No. It is again taking me somewhere. No. Where did I reach?
So we can see where did they reach. So they reach to some place. It is happen to be their school. So they know what to do in their school. They are a bit confident and they are moving forward into their school, and they have reached some place. And see what they have sent. This seems like the school. And let us talk with principal, and they are going to the principal's office, and after going inside the room, they have seen the same room. So they will reply the same, or I have seen the same room once again. So they are worried because last time when they seen the room, one person got missed, and now again they are seeing the room. They are thinking that something may happen. So from back of a voice, so you should be talking in that voice, and welcome, I am waiting for your turn, right? You can see something from far. So from far the voice is coming. So he is helping them to solve the quest. Then he'll ask them to turn right. So turn right means you will be clicking your right. We'll go to the something called comprehensive. So here, while going after this, you can just go to these things, curricular, co-curricular, and develop the things and say about it. What are the things you wanted to teach? You can teach assessment of curricular activities, you can do, and you can quote something like this. So this is one quote which I made for myself, and they have reached there here, same room again. So welcome, I am waiting. So the same thing. So they need a principal sir to see, right? So he will say that you can see your principal back when you turn your right. So he is asking to see right. When they see right, there is a bear coming forward. So what should we do? Should I ask, should I run, or should I wait? You can pause here and ask them. So what should we do? Should we run away or should face it? They may say we should face it, and they may say run away. So then you convince them. When they say run away, face it. Let us see what happens. So facing it, my beer said helped me. So the dialogues you can read and you can make it like that. So he is asking you to give 180 ink, and you give it, and he will test your knowledge so that you can reach the principal. You cannot reach the principal as simple as you can. And 9 identical balls, one more question. He poses you and test your basic things and prelims. And here is the access granted to go to principal's room, but you have to solve something. So solve this. I have attached one more thing. There is one more puzzle I had come. So you can choose. You can ask them to choose among one more thing, or else you can share this so that they can play for themselves. So breaking the bear. The title also, see, we are breaking the beer to move forward, so I kept it as breaking the beer simply. So science, they can find out the words like this. See, let me see science, where is it? Easy, simply, fastly. Where is science? Science, see here it is science, SCIENCE, science. So like this we can find out all the words and make it done. After finding all the words, you can see it's happening. Echo is here. Okay, easy to access. Let me see. You can also try it actually. I am checking for mathematics. You can see here. Mathematics and norms. I am checking for norms. So I'm looking for norms and easy to assess. I'm looking for norms and easy to assess. Easy to assess. See here, I got easy to assess. So and the last thing is norm. Norms is the thing, only thing which I want to find. NORMS, norms. Where is N? Where is N? So find out faster. So by finding we can take a pause also if you want, but we are not going to see. Sometimes it can be a vertical way also, I mean cross also. See norms, you can ask the students to direct you. By directing you, they will learn how to communicate effectively. So this also can be used as a tool of effective communication. See norms, when they find at the below, they may say the location. How are they going to say the location, and they may ask you to move some direction also. So these are the things which makes the class interactive, involve. So the basic aim of gamification. Okay, now we will ask them, or else since we are presenting it, so we will move forward. Of it. So okay, I got impressed with your thing, so you can move forward. Thank you, sir. He is the principal. He had revealed. So we are in a different world, right? So principal need not be human. The beer itself is principal. Now just say Mansathil Yanaku Adventure Island Pogonum. Then you will go there. I just write it in Malayalam thing, but it does mean you just say I want to go to Adventure Island, then you will reach there. So are you ready to say it? In 3, 2, 1, you can say that. I have said it, so it has come to take me. Sorry for the inconvenience. I have only tried mimicking it. So here we got into that. Just click it. You will go to one more slides. So why slides and slides? Because if you keep more slides in one thing, then it is very difficult. It will get takes a lot of time. See, I have kept only 20 slides in it, even though I am operating in net. Even though I am operating in net, I got it stuck, and this is one more kind of opening a door, and we can go forward. Wow, such an amazing. Where are we? Let me check the map once again. So it is just like they are stood there in front of the deer and looking at it, right? So they are in the location, and again it is asking to touch the thing. We are touching it in 3, 2, 1, go. So if you don't want an unwanted sounds, you can pause it. So we are at Adventure Island. Where to go now? Let me touch these glowing things. So I'm going to touch these glowing things and follow the glowing things. I'm here, so I will touch here. Okay, this one should touch. Okay, when you touch it, it will take you to, again it will take you. So you know these things common, right?
Where am I cooking? No. It is again taking me somewhere. No. Where did I reach? Where did I reach?
Same thing again. Oh, we have reached. We got a horse, 2 rides, right? We are just moving. So we moved and we reached some place. Here we got a monster who is saying, wait, do not be so hurry. Before you go anywhere, you must wait. Tell me how many of you know this horse riding. So many of you don't know, so we will be some dialogues goes on, and co-curricular things are instruments for drawing. Some quotes also you can get. So these are the claps for achieving the Quills badge. So you have reached the one more level, Quills badge. Yes. So you can explain the concepts which you want to explain, right? Like this. All the concepts you can make and use the same character. So after going that, just click on that where we have made a hyperlink again. So we will go to the Quizy app directly, where we will get this thing and we can start the game. We can start the game. You are the first one to join. We can start either ways, or else this requires more than one player, so I'm not going to reveal the quiz. So like this, the same way we can play this quiz also, and ask them to come back to the quiz. I mean these slides. And appreciate. So after doing that, they have reached one more level, which is fountain. So for that, it is the appreciation is going on. So he is going to leave us, but actually not. So he had given one more thing to do. Game Jimmy Kit. So Jim Kit is one more thing where you have to give a game code, and this one more app where people will be giving you the questions instead of you giving them the questions. Okay, thank you. Long way to go. So here is one more task which I have assigned. You can just see it. learningapps.org. I have clicked, and you can just do the things. Separation. There are many other things to do in it. I have just already shown in the other videos about learningapps.org, especially dedicated to it. And after doing all the stuff, you can click here and find out how many are wrong. So these two are wrong. I can jump here and here. Now listen to all.
Language.
all the things. So now it is everything is correct. This is an assignment for them, and there is a long way to go. Still we can this is just a small module which I made. Still you can make many other things in it and make it still interesting. Okay, thank you. This is the first lesson.